Hello and welcome back to another Dish of Carrie's Gardening channel. So today is July the 4th, 2023, and we're up here in the mountaintop garden. You can see the peppers up here. Those are sweet banana peppers there. And we do have some hot peppers that are on the stalks. We put grass clippings down because we don't treat our lawn with any kind of chemicals. So we bag the grass up and then it's put down in the garden here. You can see the tomatoes over here. And these have been pruned and they grew back since they were pruned. So we do have blossoms coming on them here. You see more of the peppers. These here are hot peppers here. We make sure that we label the hot peppers so that we don't get them mixed up with the sweet peppers. Especially if you're selling your stuff, you want to make sure that you have everything separated so you don't accidentally get the hot peppers mixed up with the sweet ones. We have these here, some hot peppers here that are hanging on. Some green beans did come up. We have reseeded them multiple times. You can see there's one coming up there. That's not typical for when we plant our green beans, that we have to keep resowing them, but for some reason some of them just refuse to come up. I don't know if the weather had something to do with it. We had where it was like really dry and we were trying to keep stuff watered. And then, like right now, we're getting so much rain. So, you can see here, we have the blooms here on the green beans. We didn't plant any wax beans this year. There's more peppers here. Those are sweet peppers there. And you can see the tomatoes just go pretty much the whole way out to the end there. This is our cold season vegetables here. We have Brussels sprouts. And we have one broccoli plant there. We did have more broccoli plants. Unfortunately, we lost them to the root maggots. They got into the roots and we lost a lot of those. We have beautiful heads of cauliflower here. Now that there is ready to harvest there. Now we don't pull our cauliflower plants out. We cut the cauliflower heads off up higher and they do produce side shoots for us. So we have another one back there. And this one here is one right here that's still coming. So we have our cabbage back here. There are some weeds here that were being pulled out, but our cabbage is back here. And you can see there's more tomatoes here. And our zucchini and squash, they were late coming up. I think it was because of how dry it was. But there's more out through here. And we're hoping to make zucchini relish this year. We had our first eggplants yesterday. Harvested them out of the greenhouse. We had some green tomatoes yesterday, fried, that were harvested out of the greenhouse. And you can see that there's more corn here that's coming into tassel. It's starting to come in the tassel there. And the grapes here, they came back. And you can see the onions out through here that needs weeded. Again, I still have peonies that are still coming up. They're coming up along the fence. And I'll talk more about those in another video. They were planted back in, I think it was April or early May. And some of them are just now starting to come up. So, like I said, I'll talk more about that in another video. And here are the potatoes. This is the potato bin. There is stuff growing down in the hollow garden. And when they have the flowers on, they're supposed to have potatoes underneath. And you can see there's more onions here. And now this is some dill that came up on its own. There's garlic over there, and then there's more onions in here and over and through there. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the vegetable garden on the mountain. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!